Papaturo, may pasta mo.
Father Francis tradition related he would make mistakes. Most of his disciples today believe that what he said was absolute truth, and he would not fail from his mistakes. But the Bible tells us that the power of knowledge would fail. There are some people criticizing the infallibility of Brother Branham as a prophet. And they are showing some evidences that Brother Branham was a false prophet, showing some quotations. That, oh, was he the real prophet? But his prophecy had failed. And to see that, and that group was called the Believe the Science. And by the way, this is from the record from Very Historic, November 4, 2014. This was the conversation of Brother Francis and the INC last minister of Brother Fred. Yes, Fred. Okay. But on our stand, the real our basis of being the real prophet or the infallibility of being a prophet was not basing to the miracles, or he was not feeling supernatural, or he was not feeling anything on his messages. It seems that he will just become a spiritist. In the deeper sense, being a genuine prophet is he could go to the deeper things of the revelation of God. Shall say that he was just being used by God to open up a sleeping topic. For example, there are some denominations who are preaching the 7 church ages but not totally going to the, they are not totally exposing the topic to the masses. And for the topic of the Godhead, for the group of Ephraim Aguilar and Ben Faith, the natural course of being oneness was, for Ephraim Aguilar, God has gone for 34 years, and for Kibuloy, he was already the Son of God. And there are some competition between among churches today. For example, INC had built their big arena, and on the news, Kibuloy, they're going to build a bigger arena than the INC arena that could accommodate 100,000 audiences. So they're only competing for the flesh, for popularity. But the problem for the INC, they do not accept real repentance, and they don't want to let their members to mingle with other denominations to have fellowship. And there are some topics of Brother Branham that being criticized by the other denomination. Ibong magdalagin. And
the bird who catch.
And angel sa silangan. And before angels.
Bird that will catch.
For Brother God, he teaches about Melchizedek and few information about the Godhead. Brother Branham has the terminology that Christ was already a God, but he later, sometime, he changes his explanation that Christ only became a God after resurrection. And for him, God is not an omnipresent God. He's only in only one place. And for the prehistoric explanation of Brother Gunn, for the understanding of Brother Gunn's prehistoric animals, against on our understanding, we all know that there are some creatures or animals in the prehistoric age that went through in the age of Adam. But the difference is those animals become smaller in size. In Revelation 13, we believe that America was the second beast with two horns. And that might as well, Brother Branham learned that from the SDA, or the Baptist. But SDA was not the original who preaches that understanding of Revelation 13, because the Protestant already reached that time of revelation before. Our case is that why we think that it was America, because the first beast, he was also like the America is also like the first beast that rises up from the sea, that was the Mediterranean Sea, and we call that the Old World or the Roman world.
1 minute.
Sige, one. Okay. And another beast that America is the another beast that rises up from the earth, is another continent. It was separated from the first beast or another continent that was being discovered by Columbus, and that was America. Columbus called that new continent as Europe. In another application for Revelation 10, there is an angel who landed his feet on the earth and on the sea, and it also represents the new world and the old world.
Okay.